Hi, I'm Tony from Elite One-to-One Computer Solutions. A customer has asked me how to transfer files over the network from one computer, in this case a Windows 7 computer, onto an early purchased Windows 10 computer. I'm going to do this by creating a home group, and then I'll join the home group on the Windows 10 computer, and then we'll look at some files on the Windows 7 computer, and then we'll go ahead and move the files or transfer the files over onto the Windows 10 computer. Okay, so let's go ahead. We've got a Lenovo Windows 7 computer, and we'll create a home group. Okay, so to start doing that, we'll go into the search bar, and we'll type home group. As you can see, it's on the top there. Well, as you can see, the page that's just opened says create a home group. So we'll click on create a home group, and it says share with other computers that running Windows 7 or Windows 10. And what we'll do, we'll say that we can select what you want to share. We'll click the documents, printers, pictures, music, videos. We'll click next, and while that's scrolling through, it's giving us a password for the other computers to join. In this case, as you can see there, it's JS5XX3AP6Y. Would give you a different password each time. So okay, we'll go ahead and we'll join that group from the other Windows 10 computer. Okay, so we're now looking at the Windows 10 computer, and I'll just try and bring that back a bit. Should auto focus into the laptop. It's not doing a very good job of auto focusing. There we go, that's a bit better. Okay, so we'll do exactly the same on that computer. In the search bar on the Windows 10, in the Cortana search, we'll type home group again, and there you can see we've got home group. And it's got it says that we've created a home group on the other computer. We'll click join now. It's just a message there saying that what you can share. Click next. We'll allow what's shared. In this case, we'll tick everything to be shared. We'll click next. It's asking for the password again, so I will type that in what was on the other computer, which is in this case JS5XX3AP6Y, and then we'll click next. Okay, while that's going through. So basically we've created a home group on the Windows 7 computer, and now we've just asked the Windows 10 computer to join that group. Click finish. Okay. Okay, so we're back on the Windows 7 computer again. We've created a home group on the Windows 7 computer, and we've joined the home group on the Windows 10 computer. One thing I didn't say at the beginning of the video is I'm assuming that both computers are connected to the same router in the same house, just so that you're on the same network. But I would imagine that that's already done anyway. So we'll go ahead now and we'll create a document, and we'll put it in the documents on the Windows 7 computer. New text document, we'll call it test. In that text document, we'll type some text. Maybe this is a test, and then we'll file and save as. We'll save it into the documents folder. Documents folder. Okay, we'll call it test 1. Save. Okay. So now just to prove the on there, if you go into documents, there is that document called test1 that we've just created. Okay, jumping back to the Windows 10 computer now. We'll go into File Browser, and you can see there's an icon called Home Group. We'll click the Home Group icon. And while that's that will open up in just a second. Okay, we'll click Test, which is the account on the other computer. We'll go into Documents, and there's that document that we created on the other computer. And just to show, we can drag that right to the desktop of this computer. We'll click Copy here, and we'll open that up. And that's exactly the same document that we created on the Windows 7 computer. And there you have it. Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.